Hello friends, welcome to Super Gadgets Pro. Today we are going to unbox the latest Samsung wireless earphones, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, and we will compare its size with the original Galaxy Buds. So without wasting any time, let's dive in the video. First, let's check the box. In the front we have the Galaxy Buds Live pic, on the side we have the Buds Live branding, and on the back we have all the details of the Buds Live. After opening the box we have the case. Let's put it on the side, and in another rectangular box we have the charging cable and extra ear fins for the buds. We have the customary paperwork in another box, which includes quick start guide and warranty information. Focusing on the case, it's a square-shaped case with charging port on the back, a LED light for charging and battery information, and some information on the bottom, and we are greeted with the kidney bean-shaped earbuds upon opening the case. I have to admit I have never seen anything like this in the earbuds category. On the inside, we have the 12mm speaker and bass duct on the bottom, an IR sensor and the twin pins for charging. On the outside, there are 3 microphones that Samsung uses alongside what it calls a voice pickup unit to enhance voices during calls. While it connects to my Note 20 Ultra, let's check out how it compares to the Galaxy Buds. The Wear app shows you how to wear the earbuds correctly. The touch control settings helps you to configure now the touch sensors will respond to the touch on each buds. We have a new update, let's update it. While it updates, let's compare the Buds Live with the Galaxy Buds. The Buds Live charging case itself is very small. It still holds 500 mAh worth of charge in addition to the 60 mAh in the Buds Live, and it can be charged both through USB-C and wirelessly. The two buds fit magnetically inside and won't fall off accidentally. The buds are very different from each other. Galaxy Buds Plus uses in-ear design. Generally, in-ear buds offer much better noise isolation and deliver bass better. Ultimately, it's a personal preference. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Live can connect to basically any Bluetooth device. Android, iOS and PCs all work fine. The infrared sensors on the inside of the Galaxy Buds Live let them detect if the buds are in your ears and will pause playback if you take them out. This works on any Android phone but doesn't work on iOS. That's it for the unboxing. We will be doing a full review of the sound and compare it with Galaxy Buds and Apple AirPods Pro. So if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss new content from us. Please like if you enjoyed the video and comment which wireless earbuds you are using. Thanks for watching, have a good day and take care.